Today I had some snacks from America. First up, Sour Patch Kids. Now these kind of tasted weird at first, and I've always wanted to try these, but then later, they ate pretty good. 8 out of 10 for me. Now next up is Smarties. Now this one was an unexpected turn. It didn't really taste that good at all. It tasted like something I had before, and that thing was not good. 4 out of 10. You can see on my face to realize what rating I'll give it. Next up is Swedish Fish. So then I had it, and then it has a weird texture, but then later it gets good, like the others. So it's like 7 out of 10. Next up is Airheads. Now these ones were pretty good. I put the whole thing down my mouth after I was done, and it's chewy and it tastes kind of weird. And then it gets good. 6 out of 10. That's how I had Nerds. Now I put these in my fridge, and they taste really weird. 3 out of 10.